Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best air-cooled spindle on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. CRONOS Air Cooled Spindle. CRONOS Air Cooled Spindle is the perfect CNC machine for the home hobbyist. It is quiet and powerful enough to cut through most materials. This CNC machine comes with air-cooled 800W DC 110V 20,000 RPM CNC Spindle Motor ER11 Chuck 0.8 kW Spindle Motor with power supply speed governor for engraving and cutting. This CNC spindle motor comes with an ER11 chuck that makes it perfect for carving, engraving and routing. The spindle speed is adjustable from 1000 to 5500 RPM. The air-cooled spindle mount is recommended for the effective usage of spindle coolant. This CNC spindle is designed to provide ease of use and quality results. Air-cooled spindles are often used in CNC lathes because of the lower cost and weight. Air-cooled spindles are also used in manual and automated grinders and can be used inline with a coolant system. Number 4. The Croto Air Cooled Spindle. ICROATO ATC 500M is the speed governor for CNC machine 0.5 kW spindle mount air-cooled spindle motor. It's used for high power and large workpiece, and the speed is adjustable. It has powerful bearing for high accuracy and long lifetime and can use the large workpiece. The shaft is with cool long life sleeve and can improve the maintenance-free and noise. The operation is simple and stable. The driver is used for the cooling fan and aluminum shell, low noise is more convenient to operate. The Croto air-cooled spindle is 500W air-cooled spindle motor plus 52mm clamps plus power supply, speed governor for CNC machine 0.5 kW spindle mount. With air-cooled motor and speed governor, it's safe and easy to use, and the spindle can be exchanged quickly. You can use it to cut the material like wood, acrylic and PVC, with excellent results. It's very practical and simple to operate as it can be used to cut, engrave and mill. Number 3. G-Penny Machine Air-Cooled Spindle. G-Penny Machine is 2.2 kW air-cooled spindle kit is the ideal all-around solution for the 3D printer user in need of a versatile spindle. This lightweight spindle is capable of handling a range of materials and offers a fully integrated air cooling system. This spindle is customizable in a variety of different setups that will allow it to fit into any 3D printer application. In addition to the features of super power, high precision and large production, it also comes with other new functions such as EEPROM and VRAM saving, cutting tool exchange and self-diagnosis according to the requirements of various industries. It is specially designed for high-efficiency cutting, circular saw blade, fiber cutting, slitting saw blade and so on. Moreover, it has more functions and is more convenient to use, which are worth your having. Number 2. TwoWin Air Cooled Spindle. The TwoWin Air Cooled Spindle is a CNC spindle motor. It requires a separate power supply to operate. It is a milling tool used for cutting and milling a wide range of materials. This spindle motor is an efficient spindle motor for 0.5 kW. The ER11 chuck allows different tools to be fitted to the spindle. The 500W air-cooled spindle is well suited to be used with your milling machine, router and engraver. It has an aluminum heatsink fan and can be used for CNC PCB engravers. The TwoWin air-cooled spindle is the ideal solution you've been looking for to meet your PCB engraving needs. This air-cooled spindle features a clamped ER11 chuck and is completely air-cooled, meaning you can use it for extended periods of time without worrying about it overheating. This CNC spindle is PWM controlled with a speed governor, allowing you to regulate your speed. If you need to stop for a moment, the governor will immediately reduce the speed and then increase it once you begin to move again. The TwoWin air-cooled spindle is 0.5 kW, which means you will get the power you need for your PCB engraving projects. The 0.5 kW power means the spindle will produce speeds of 5000 RPM. And to top it all off, this spindle comes with a 500W power supply. This CNC spindle is sure to meet all your PCB engraving needs. Number 1. Hampus Air Cooled Spindle. Hampus Air Cooled Spindle is an essential tool in your workshop when it is important to have a constant working speed. CNC spindles are used to accurately make parts and are a requirement for any CAD/CAM operation. It is important that the spindle runs at the desired speed. The Hampus Air Cooled Spindle is a great way to get power on the go. This air-cooled spindle requires no water to stay cool, making it perfect for mobile applications or where water is not an option. CNC 500W Spindle Motor Plus Power Supply is the perfect spindle for any job. This spindle is capable of turning a sample size of up to 25 mm. The spindle has a ER11 chuck and 0.5 kW clamp to hold your material in place. This spindle is great for milling, drilling, lathe work and anything else you might need to use it with. Cooling spindles are widely used in CNC processing to temperature control the spindle in order to prolong the working life of cutting tools and to improve the processing precision. It is widely used in lathe, milling machine and other CNC processing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.